Hello student. So in this video I will solve a question from JEE Advanced 2018 paper 1. This is a very interesting question. The question is the aniline reacts with mixed acids, that is concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid at 288 Kelvin to give P 51%, Q 47% and R 2%. So here we have aniline. And we are reacting this aniline with concentrated AHNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. So whenever we do nitration of aniline, we get three products, that is one is a ortho isomer, second one is meta isomer, and another is para isomer. Now we have to determine which isomer is which one, that is which one is P, which one is Q and which one is R. So whenever we do nitration of aniline, we know the amino group, that is NH2 group, it is an electron donating group. So it has plus I effect and plus R effect. So we know that, and the nitration, it is an electrophilic substitution reaction. So we know that for electron donating group, the electrophilic substitution generally occurs preferentially at ortho position and para position compared to meta position. But here, when we treat aniline with concentrated HNO3 or H2SO4, it forms the anilinium ion. This is our anilinium ion. In case of anilinium ion, this one is a strong electron withdrawing group. Okay, so it withdraws electron from the ring, and as a result, the nitration or electrophilic any electrochemical aromatic substitution occurs preferentially in this meta position. So here we will get the meta isomer as our major product, so it should be our P, that is 51%. And among the ortho isomer and para isomer, the effect of this electron withdrawing group, that is minus I effect, will be much more prominent in the ortho position compared to our para position. So the ortho position will be the less product, that is it should be R only 2%, and it is our Q 47%. Okay. Now the next step. So we have R, that is our orthonitроaniline. Now we are reacting it with, first one is acidic anhydride in pyridine. Now if you react this with acidic anhydride and pyridine, so this is, we will protect this amino group and it will form this acid anilide, NH, COCH3 and NO2. Okay. Next we are doing the bromination. Bromine in presence of acetic acid. Bromine in presence of acetic acid. And we know that in presence of acid anilide, bromination only occurs in the para position. So here we will get only one isomer, that is this one. Now it is treated with H0 plus, and this is for only deprotecting the acid anilide, and it will form this aniline. The next step, it is reacting with NaNO2HCl 273 Kelvin. So it is a common reaction. This is for generating of diazonium NaNO2HCl. It is formation of diazonium salt. So it will form here N2 plus Cl minus NO2 and bromine. Now it is further reacted with ethanol heat. So if we treated diazonium with ethanol, and then what happened, the nitrogen is eliminated and it will form the corresponding benzene NO2, and here we have bromine. Okay, so in the next step, so this is our S compound S. So in the next step, S was treated with SnHCl, TnHCl, and TnHCl it is an reducing agent. It will reduce this NO2 to NH2 and it will form a bromine here. The next step is bromine in excess. So when we are reacting this aniline with presence of excess amount of bromine in excess, so it will do bromination on all available position. So our product will be bromination here. So this is our NH2 group. Okay, there is already one bromine. So it will do bromination in ortho position, in para position, in another ortho position. Okay. Next, it was treated with NaNO2HCl. Again, it will form a diazonium salt. NaNO2HCl will form one diazonium salt, that is N2 plus Cl minus. It will form bromine here, bromine and bromine. Then it was treated with H3PO2, and it is a common reaction when we treated diazonium with H3PO2. What happened? Nitrogen is liberated and we will get our final product, that is bromine. This is our final product. Now if you compare with the option, so option D is our correct answer. So this is all about this reaction. If you have any confusion regarding the mechanism or any doubt regarding the solution, please comment below, and thank you very much.